Morning everyone! Welcome to our Forex Trading channel. I am Jenny from Everyday News 365. Join us for tips, strategies, and insights on the world's largest financial market.
So for today's video, we will be discussing what are the three types of market analysis. So first, we have what we call the technical analysis, the fundamental analysis, and the sentiment analysis. Okay, so there's always been a constant debate as to which analysis is better. But to tell you the truth, you need to know all three. It's kind of like standing on a three-legged stool. If one of the leg is weak, the stool will break under your weight and you'll fall flat on your face. If your analysis on any of the three types of analysis is weak and you ignore it, there's a good chance that it will cause you to lose on your trade. So it's better to learn everything or these three analyses. So in technical analysis, someone who uses technical analysis is called a technical analyst, and traders who uses technical analysis are known as technical traders. They generally describe to the belief that it's all in the chart. Okay? Technical analysis looks at the rhythm, flow, and trends in price action. Now, have you ever heard the old adage, history tends to repeat itself? Well, that's basically what technical analysis is all about. If a certain price held as a major support or resistance level in the past, forex traders will keep an eye for it and base their trades around this historical price level. So technical analysis is not much about prediction. It's about probability. Technical analysis look for similar patterns that have formed in the past and will form trade ideas believing that this price could possibly act the same way that it did before. Okay? So, technical skills, we have the support and the resistance. So technical skills deals with the stuff like indicators, support and resistance, candlestick patterns, Fibonacci ratios. So basically the stuff that you see traders plot on their chart, those are usually what we call the technical analysis tools. Okay? And finally, you should know though that technical analysis is very subjective. Just because Michelangelo, Donatello, Leonardo, and Raphael are looking at the exact same chart or indicators, that doesn't mean that they will come up with the same ideas or where the price may be headed. Okay, next is what we call the fundamental analysis. Okay, so fundamental analysis is a way of looking at the forex market by analyzing the economic, the social, and the political forces that may affect currency prices. You have to understand the reason why and how certain events like an increase in the unemployment rate affects a country's economy and monetary policy, which ultimately affects the level of demand for its currency. The better shape a country's economy is, the more foreign businesses and investors will invest in that country. This results in the need to purchase that country's currency to obtain the assets. So, the idea behind this type of analysis is that if a country's current or future economic outlook is good, its currency should strengthen. Fundamental analysis is a way of analyzing the potential moves of a currency through the strength or weakness of a country's economic look. So, if you want to check out fundamental analysis, this is a very useful website that you can use. This is from forexfactory.com. I went to the calendar and you will see the different piece of fundamental news that will be coming up for this week. You can also see here the previous changes and the actual number that came out of the forecast. Okay? But So again, this is a very useful website to follow through what are the different fundamental news that is coming out in the market for all the different countries. So I have another video discussing more about this, okay? So next would be sentiment analysis, okay? So sentiment analysis is used to gauge how other traders feel, whether it's about the overall currency market or about a particular currency. Another one that you can use is that they call the long-short ratio. So this is a tool that you can use, and you can see it again in Forex Factory. So this is, so over here you can see, so basically traders coming to this website and stating their position, whether they long or short. So what you want to do is to look for extreme, like for example, something I've learned is that the market tends to reverse to the upside when there is an extreme amount of traders who are short, and to the downside when there is an extreme amount of traders who are long. So you can use this as a sentiment tool in your trading strategy. So again, you want to take note of extreme positions, like maybe 80% is long and 20% is short. So there is something that could give you an idea behind the sentiment of a particular currency that you're trading. Okay, so this is what we call the sentiment analysis.
So if you like this video and you think it helps you, please like this video. And if you still want to know other details about Forex, please subscribe on our YouTube channel or click the notification bell.